Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5085516, because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working? Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Then make a right click and then click on restart. Scroll up, here you can see app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now you can check. Still not working. Now you can go back, and if you see retry option over here, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working. Go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here. Once it is paused, now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. You can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Scroll down. You can use this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5085516 over here, and then click on search. Now check your Windows. Let me change the language over here. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, version is 25H2. Then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and then check your system type. So for me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, the right update is Windows 11 version 25H2x64. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2x64, then this is the right one. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. And then click on KB5085516, click on it, and then you can run this file. Once let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and then you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. It will take a long time. Once it is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Okay, open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run the exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, then click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically, and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next. Click on accept. Now by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, restart your computer, and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.